Keyboard shortcuts. Designed for the Your Pocket Tools suite, they accelerate work where time matters most. Keyboard shortcuts bring a flow that can be felt. Functions are not searched for, they are accessed instinctively. Revit responds exactly as expected. One shortcut, one decision. Efficiency appreciated with every click. Let's go to the Your PT icon and select the Shortcuts tool. The Shortcut Management window will appear. A set of keyboard shortcuts has been prepared for the Quick Tools group. We add the keyboard shortcuts with a single click. Remember, you must restart the Revit program after every change. Let's return to the Shortcuts tool. This time we remove the added shortcuts using the Remove Shortcuts button. Restore default settings with the Reset to Default button. Again, Revit must be restarted after each operation. Now let's test it in practice. A separate keyboard shortcut has been prepared for each of the three 3D view generation options. Press Revit+1. Select an area. Done. The view is generated. Press V+2. Select an area and indicate the element that will serve as the reference point. The view is ready. Press Phi+3. Select the first element, then another one. Finally, confirm the selection. Done. The third view is created. Press X. Press space and select a line. Line lengths and their total sum are displayed. Select an area on the drawing. Press F. Apply the filter by choosing green elements. The filter is applied. Select an element. Switch to the drawing view. Press Z. The element is located. Select several elements in the drawing and launch the Quick Override tool by pressing Q. Choose the color pink by pressing the letter M on the keyboard. Select more elements now and press Q again. This time choose the color orange. Finally, select all elements and launch the Quick Override tool by pressing Q. Restore their original color by pressing the letter D.